11th problem. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 10 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? Means here they are asking, after flying 1.5 hours more, then what is the distance between those two aeroplanes they are asking us? Yes, here we have to need to find first. They are asking here after 1.5 hours what is the distance between those two aeroplanes they are asking, right? To find that 1.5 an hour, we have to multiply the distance traveled by the both the kilometers by 1.5 hour. So first here we'll write the given things. Solution: distance traveled by the plane in which direction? Due north in 1 integer 1/2 hours is. How to find this? Means the distance, how much distance it has traveled? 1000 into 1 integer 1/2. Right, now we'll convert it is in a mixed fraction, right? We'll convert it into improper first. 1000 into 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, that is 3/2. Now you can simplify it. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 500. We got 1500 kilometer. So it has traveled now 1500 kilometers. Right, now similarly we have to find the distance traveled by the aeroplane due in the west after 1.5 hour. Distance written the statement, that is how much it has traveled, that is 1200 into 1 integer 1/2. We are getting 1200 into 3/2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. We got here 600 into 3 means 1800 kilometer. So it has covered 1800 kilometer here. Now we got the distance, that is CB and AC, right? Now we need to find the AB. To find here AB, we can see that we got one obtained right angle triangle here. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem to apply AB, right? So that using Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square is equals to BC square plus AC square, right? Substitute the obtained value in this equation, we will get the value of AB. That will be the what? The distance between the two aeroplanes, right? This is the homework for you. You have to find it. We'll move for the next problem, that is 12th one. 12th one, two poles of the height 6 meter and one is 11 meter. Stands on the plain ground, both are standing on the ground only. If the distance between the feet of the poles is from E to D, it is 12 meter. We have to find the distance between their tops, this top and this top, right? You already know that both the poles are standing on the plain ground only. Yes, if the distance between D and E is 12 meter, then from bottom to till here the distance will be the same or no? Because they are the parallel to each other. The two poles are parallel to each other, yes or no? So this is also what? Now 12 meter. And also what they have given? The height of the pole AE is already 11 meter they have given. And the height of the pole BD is 6 meter they have given. We can see that we are getting, according to the diagram, BD is equals to CF, isn't it? Because opposite sides of the rectangulars. So from now we'll get the length of AE is, we'll write this AE is here 11 meter and CE will get of 6 meter. Yes, now. But here we don't know the AC. To find AC, I'm going to minus CE in AE. So we can get the AC. After getting this value, we got the two sides. You can observe that there is a right angle triangle. So after getting this side, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem to get the distance between the tops of the two poles, that is BA. So we'll solve it. What all they have given? They have given BD is equals to 6 meter and AE is equals to 11 meter and DE is equals to 12 meter. And here I am going to write BD is equals to CE. Here B is equals to C because opposite sides of the rectangular. And here also we'll write AE. AE means, okay, we leave AE, and DE means BC. Again, the opposite sides of the rectangular or not? Yes, they are opposite sides of the rectangular. Now we have to find AC. To find AC, in AE minus CE I will do. So AE means what here? 11 meter and CE is what here? 6 meter. Minusing will get, that is 5 meter. AC as 5 meter we got. Now we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem for the triangle, which triangle? ACB, that is AB square is equals to BC square plus AC square. Right? This is how we need to find. This one you have to find. This is homework for you. And here we'll write the property why these two are equal. Because opposite sides of rectangle, and here also same thing, opposite sides of rectangle. This finding the distance of AB, it is a homework for you all. Next we'll move for the problem 13th one.